So basically, we're installing 3 wall anchors in this section of the wall. Normally, we install wall anchors based on the foundation wall is failing, meaning it may be going in. We drill a 1/2 inch hole through the foundation wall. We'll shoot a 1/2 inch threaded rod about 11 feet out into a hole that we dig on the outside. Once we find that rod, we slap one of our Geolock wall anchor earth plates on the outside. The inside plates on with 2 sets of washers. We got a square washer and a circular washer, and then we put the tightening nuts on, and then we just tighten it down for pressure. The reason you should choose Woods over any other company, honestly, our warranty is just tops. It's tops over everybody else's.
Go to woodsbasementsystems.com.